Okay, so for this stitch, we're going to be doing a back stitch. I'm going to take, again, the thickness is not correct in terms of what you would normally sew with. Again, my thread is a little bit thicker, or quadrupled in this case, just for the purpose of being able to see better. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to start from the bottom up, just like that. I'm going to do smaller stitches instead of the large ones we were doing in class. I'm going to come up here. And so what I'm doing is to the left, excuse me. I'm just going to kind of create like a round, right? So I went down, under, up. This is up, and then I'm going to come back around, touching the first one like that, and then come across again, up and around and down and up. My line's not very neat. I probably should have drawn one. Around and down again. And you just keep repeating that pattern over and over and over again until you get a long enough stitch. And then what we'll do is we'll look at the back so you could see what it looks like from the back side also. So let me see if I can get a little bit, there we go. So if you can see here, I just kind of put my needle in between the stitches that are here. So not next to it, but in between them. So I'm going in the stitches and then back down. So there it goes, my camera's trying to focus. So it looks like that, and then on the back end, it looks like I got tangled. Hold on, let me pull that. There we go. It looks like this, like there's a bunch of threads that are overlapping each other on the back side. See that? And then on the front side, it looks like this. This one's a pretty secure stitch. So I'm gonna do it one more time. So I'm gonna go to the left, up, around, and back down to the right. And then while I'm on the bottom, I'm gonna go way over here to my left, up, and then back around and down to the bottom, and then up again. And like I said, you repeat this process for either the length of whatever you're trying to stitch, or for this technique, you know, maybe just half. That is called backstitch.